My name is Edward Jackson. You're looking at an instant hot water pump that I installed 7 years ago in my house. I put this on the internet in July 2010 and I have had over 43,000 hits on it. Everybody's got all these dreams and stuff about how it goes on. Well, as you can plainly see, this is all old white pipe, plastic white pipe that has been in here for 30 years. The only thing we installed was the red line that you're looking at that comes around and goes to the very bottom. That's the lowest point of the hot water in my house. It returns back to the cold water side of the hot water heater. Now that's it. You're done. You just turn the hot water heater, plug it up or cut it off. Now, this has been available to John Q. Public since 2002, and President Bush had that done. That's a 93-page report. This is a fact that the University of Auburn did for us in 2006 that tells all water facts that they did. This is a new tugboat that was christened in November of last year that saves 25,000 gallons of water with that pump. Each pump, according to these reports, say that you can save 1,000 gallons of water. You see how simple it is. It's not complicated. This pump through us cost $150 delivered to you to your house. If you would like one, you send me a check, a money order, or whatever. Fold it up in a piece of paper in an envelope to Edward Jackson, Post Office Box 845, Tryon, T-R-I-O-N, Georgia 30753. Now they're $150. That's delivered to you, no extra freight, no nothing. Now this works. We have 7 tugboats that run the intercoastal waterway. I have pumps in Victoria, Australia. I have them on the island of Barbados. I have them in a laundromat in New York and one in New Jersey. So this can be utilized anywhere you gotta have hot water instantly. So again, this is Edward Jackson. They're $150. If you want one, mail me a check at 706 Post Office Box 845, Tryon, T-R-O-N, Georgia 30753 or call me at 706-506-3508. I'll answer any question, and this pump can be retrofitted to any house.